You search for how to buy shares of Stadler Rail AG, a Swiss train and tram manufacturer listed on CBOE EU under the ticker SRAIL.ZU. Stadler designs and builds rolling stock for regional and urban transport. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SRAIL.ZU to find the Stadler Rail AG listing. Check the search results carefully to locate the correct stock for the CBOE EU market. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information, a price chart, and market details. Confirm the issuer is Stadler Rail AG and that the market matches CBOE EU. Make sure the ticker displayed is SRAIL.ZU. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Once executed, your position appears in the portfolio where you can monitor it. For reference, the example link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the interface shown.